the case for the universe being fundamentally mathematical. This view posits that mathematics isn't just a tool we use to model reality, it's the very fabric of reality itself. In other words, the universe is math, and everything we experience emerges from mathematical structures. Ancient thinkers like Pythagoras saw numbers and geometry as the essence of the cosmos. All is number. Plato's theory of forms suggested ideal mathematical objects exist independently of the physical world. Galileo later echoed this by saying the book of nature is written in the language of mathematics. This idea gained traction in modern physics, where equations like Einstein's or Schrödinger's wave function don't just describe phenomena, they predict them with uncanny precision. A leading modern proponent, physicist Max Tegmark, argues that our physical reality is a vast mathematical structure. He points out that fundamental particles, like electrons, have properties that are purely numerical, mass, charge, spin, with no non-mathematical traits. Tegmark extends this to the level 4 multiverse, where every possible mathematical structure exists as a separate universe, and ours is just one that's complex enough to support life. He claims this explains why math works so well. It's not a coincidence. The universe is mathematical. The laws of nature, from gravity to quantum mechanics, are expressed through math. Discoveries like the Higgs boson fit into mathematical frameworks like the Standard Model, suggesting the universe operates on unbreakable mathematical rules. Some argue that if math weren't fundamental, the universe would be irrational and unpredictable, which it's not. Thinking of the universe as a mathematical object has also driven breakthroughs in both math and physics. Critics of the opposing view say that dismissing math as invented ignores how it uncovers truths independent of human minds, like how pi exists whether we calculate it or not. On the flip side, this perspective sees math as a language or tool created by humans to make sense of the world, not something inherent to the universe. It's more like a map than the territory itself. Formalists like David Hilbert viewed math as a game of symbols with rules we define. Intuitionists, such as L. E. J. Brouwer, emphasize that math arises from human intuition and mental constructions. Social constructivists go further, arguing math is shaped by culture and society. Different civilizations invented different systems, for example, Roman versus Arabic numerals. Even if math describes the universe well, that doesn't mean the universe is math. Ethan Siegel points out that the universe is a physical entity, not a mathematical one, and math alone can't fully capture it because theories must be tested against real observations. Gödel's incompleteness theorems show that no mathematical system can prove all truths about even simple arithmetic, implying limits that might apply to describing the entire universe. Recent work suggests the universe isn't even computable, non-algorithmic, ruling out purely mathematical simulations. Math might stem from how our brains evolved to spot patterns for survival, for example, counting prey or navigating space. Neurological studies show math processing in specific brain areas, suggesting it's a human construct rather than a cosmic truth. If aliens exist, their math might look alien to us, implying it's not universal. Proponents here argue that claiming the universe is math is like saying a novel is its words. It's a useful abstraction, but the real thing has qualities beyond symbols. In quantum mechanics, phenomena like entanglement and wave-particle duality are purely mathematical at their core, lending weight to the fundamental side. But efforts to unify quantum gravity, for example string theory, highlight math's limits. It's elegant but unproven in reality. Some blend the views, math is discovered, but we invent the notation and application. This isn't settled science, it's ongoing philosophy. Tegmark's ideas are optimistic, suggesting a unified, beautiful reality. Skeptics say it's untestable metaphysics,